National Geographic named Kochi one of the 50 greatest places of a lifetime. So, buckle up because this 8-day journey with Fayyaz Travels is full-on sensory overload in the best way possible. This is Fayyaz Travels, where we specialise in crafting tailor-made journeys just for you. Day 1. You land in Kochi, one of Kerala's most charming cities and apparently one of National Geographic's 50 greatest places of a lifetime. No big deal, right? Rest up at your hotel or just lounge like royalty. No pressure, tomorrow adventure begins. Day 2. Off we go to Munnar. Think rolling hills covered in tea bushes that look like green marshmallows. Along the way, we'll stop at Spice Plantation where you'll be nose deep in cinnamon, cardamom and other tongue-tickling wonders. It's full-on sensory safari. Day 3 is a chai-fueled odyssey. You'll meet mountain goats at Rajamalai Wildlife Sanctuary, soak in panoramic views from the Kunan Divan Hills, then get your history fix at the Tea Museum. Yes, that's a thing. And top it all off with a Kathakali and Kalari Patti performance. It's culture, drama and roundhouse kicks all in one evening. Day 4, we're spicing things up, literally, as we head to Tekari. It's a spice capital and walking through the markets in Kumarakom villages feels like falling into a giant delicious spice rack. And yes, you will want to bring some home. Your suitcase will smell amazing for weeks. Day 5, nature takes center stage. The Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is a haven for nature lovers and people who enjoy pretending they're in a nature documentary. Boat rides, bird spotting, and a visit to the Tribal Heritage Museum. It's a day full of heart, history, and possibly wild boars. Day 6, we roll into Kumarakom through the breezy hills of Kutikanam. Think of it as a scenic route with extra cardamom. Once in Kumarakom, the vibe turns mellow. Canals, backwaters, and houseboats. It's practically a postcard except you're in it. Day 7, we make our way to Arthankul to visit St. Andrew's Basilica. It's got centuries of history and the kind of peaceful vibes you just cannot fake. Then it's time to kick off your shoes and unwind at Marari Beach. Golden sands, coconut palms, and not a single email notification in sight. Day 8, we say goodbye to Kerala, but trust me, it's more of a see you again soon. After breakfast, we drive you back to Kochi Airport and that's a wrap on a week you'll be talking about for years. Or at least until your next trip with Fayyaz Travels. Which stop was your favourite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travel enthusiasts and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. So book with us now at fayyaztravels.com. Our team of expert consultants are ready to craft a dream getaway. Happy holidays!